Salesforce CRM review, how to get started with Salesforce. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we get started with Salesforce CRM. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So as you know, Salesforce provides us good CRM system to track all of our deals, to add some customers, some deals information and so on. So it's pretty easy to use. It has a lot of different products. In order to get started, we simply need to visit salesforce.com, and here we are on this page. So we need to click on get started to start our registration basically, and here we need to click on try for free in the right top corner. After that, we'll come to this page where, as you can see, we need to fill some fields. So firstly, our name, last name, job title here. You need to input the necessary, of course. Click on next. We input the number of employees. I'll just choose this one, the company and the region. Then just click on next. And here we need to input our phone and email. So basically after that we'll receive our message from the Salesforce like this, and here we need to click on verify our account. After that we'll come to this page where we'll have to input our password and the mail. So after that we'll continue our registration. So here we need to input our phone number. I'll just input like this, or you can choose remind me later, or I don't want to register my phone. So let's simply click on it. And after that, we'll come to this page basically, and this is our start page of the Salesforce CRM. So all the things are started here. So as you can see in the top of the screen, we have menu with home, leads folder, accounts, contacts, opportunities, cases, tasks, calendar, reports, and dashboard. And also in the right side we have our profile, so we can just simply go to settings or just try to buy some stuff. We also have notifications area here, some basic sales setup, also in-app help, and some guidance center if you have some questions. Also, they have the opportunity to add global actions here. For example, add new event, add new task, new contact, log a call, add new opportunity, new case, new lead, new note. Basically, this feature is pretty helpful because we don't have to go to some folders or do some other stuff to add, for example, a new event or task. So also we have a search bar here to find leads, recent leads, uncovered leads, and so on. It's also pretty helpful because we can add anything we need. So let's start from our homepage, and here, as you can see, we have all the analytics. For example, current year with pipeline, potential revenue source, current year, recent records, today's events, today's tasks, so key deals, and so on. If we'll click on any part here, we can simply make it more detailed. So if we'll click on view report, it will lead us to reports area, and here we can find more detailed informations with this spreadsheet with opportunity names, close dates, stages, probability, fiscal period, age, created date, and so on. So this option helps us to view all of our analytics, make it more detailed and so on. So we can simply do it with any single part here. So we can, for example, view all of our records here, view our pipeline. For example, let's go here, and here we can see more detailed information about our pipeline. In the leads area, we also have a spreadsheet with all of our leads. So here is their fields. We can simply customize it. We can create a new lead right up here. If we'll click, all we need is just to simply add all the information we have, name of the lead, last name, company, and lead status. Basically, it's pretty easy, and it's in every single CRM. Also, we have additional information with address and other additional information here. We can also add some description information if you have something to write. So after that, simply just click on save, and new lead will appear right up in this table. So we can also import, we can add to campaign, change status, and change owner. So simply we can also send list email if we need. And also we can just add view control, new or reset column width. We can display it in different views, like in table, Kanban, or split view. We can refresh our table and we can edit it. Simply just clicking here. So we can also change the width of different fields, for example, like this. Basically, it's pretty easy. We can just recently viewed, change it to recently viewed filter, like lost leads, my unread leads, and so on. In accounts area, we also have ability to add some accounts. We can add new or simply import them. If you click on import, basically we can add the CSV file, or just they can help you to export or import data. Yeah. So we can add the account name fields, phone, and account owner. So simply all we need to do is just to fill this additional information here. So basically it's pretty easy. In contacts area, the same thing. We can add new, import, add to campaign, send list email, and also we have some fields for our contacts here. So these steps are quite the same, for example, as for leads area, and so on. With opportunities, as you can see, we have different opportunity names, account name, stage, close date, opportunity owner, and so on. So if we'll, for example, choose some of them, we can add some options or do some other stuff. We can click on mass update, for example, add some close date, add stage, next step, and so on. So we can also list view controls, like new. We can change the display, table, Kanban, split view. We can re-upload all the alpha table, and basically this is a way of how can we deal with opportunities. In cases area, the same thing, simple table with case number, subject, status, date, time opened, case owner alias, and so on. We can change owner or update cases. In tasks area, we can add different tasks to interact with our team, to fill all the gaps, to don't have any misunderstandings, and so on. So here we can add some tasks. In calendar, the same stuff. We can add some events or just track our tasks here. In reports area, as I already said, we can find all the information like private reports, public reports, different folders created by me, shared by me, and so on. On the dashboard, we also have dashboard here, created by me, private, all dashboards, all features, and so on. So this service provides us free trial, and we also have different types of subscriptions here. So as you can see, it has essential plans, professional, and enterprise, and the prices are different. So we can click on details, and for example, for essential plan, we have get started quickly with our easy setup flows. We can customize your sales path to success. We can help customers faster with the service console, and also scale and collaborate easy with App Exchange and Chatter. In the professional plan, we also have get real-time business insights with accurate sales forecast, manage campaigns, contrast and orders, track sales leads, opportunities, and customer cases. And in the highest plan, enterprise, tailor Salesforce to meet your needs with custom features, integrate your platforms with secure APIs, automate complex business processes, track your deals with deal trending. So these are plans, so you can try it for free with a free trial, and after that decide what would you like to use. So this is a way of how can we deal with Salesforce. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.